Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you step by step how I get the buttons, how I get the earrings with the button maker, as well as hair bows and the things to go on your shoes as well. It's very simple, very easy. So first thing, what you're going to need is, of course, you're going to need your printouts. I'm going to make some earrings out of these. I think these are going to be cute. And some hair bows, I guess, for my daughter. You know, just some Minnie Mouse, LOL, a little Chanel thing. Nothing too fancy. So you're gonna need your one. I'm doing 1 inch, so the hole punch in these needs to be 1.313. I have my custom hole punch or whatever this thing is called. I'm gonna go ahead and punch these out so that we can go ahead and get started. Okay, I've already got my images cut out. First up, we're going to do the hair bows. The hair bows are very simple, and normally on a regular button you would use a collet for the back, but because we're doing a hair bow and you're gonna need something to string along. The back that we need is a little bit different, so it's going to look like this pretty much. That's pretty much what you're going for. Now let's come on over to the actual button maker and go ahead and get to putting this stuff down in here. So first you're going to need your shell. Go ahead and put your shell in there. Let's put your image down inside. Make sure it's not, okay, it was to put your image down inside of it. Then you're going to need your Mylar. Go on ahead and get the Mylar, put the Mylar over it, flip it around. Now you're going to use this. You're going to put this face down, and then go ahead, smash it down, turn it. This is now gone because it's over in here. And then you're just going to smash that down as well, bring it back, and you are now done. And as you can see, that piece is now sticking up. Only thing you need to do is just take a ponytail holder, a tie, and this is also the shoelace thing as well. Take it through to where it's like this, like a bow, and then take it through one end to where it is now on there like that. You now have made a ponytail holder, y'all. Very simple, very easy. Now for the earrings. The earrings are a little bit different. You are not using a collet back. Your back is just going to be just a flat back. That's it, just a flat back. That's all you need, nothing fancy. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another shell. Let's put the image up in here. I'm trying to figure out, okay, yeah, I'm going to use this one, I guess. Now I need some more Mylar. Put the Mylar in there, spin it, put the flat back, but you want the flat back to be up. I guess you want the cup of it to be up. So put the flat back in face down. It's going to be face down, if that makes sense. Okay, then go ahead, smash down. That's now gone. Smash down again. Flip it. You have now made one of your flat back earrings. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Let me grab a shell. Okay, as you can see, I have my my 2 earrings there that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. This is if you do have the flat backs. The flat backs do cost a little bit more. And so at first, I just had the collet, which means when I did a button, it was just like hollow. I'm going to show you how to do both sides in case you don't have the, you don't feel like paying that extra money. Because y'all, I know I did not. And for the longest, guess what? I didn't do it. Mama wasn't doing it. Okay, so of course you're going to need your E6000, and you just need the back, the earring back post studs, whatever them things is called. And you just gonna hit them bad boys. Wait a minute. Okay. One thing you're gonna do, put it directly in the middle. And then that's really it. You let them bad boys dry overnight. The next day, them things will be ready to go. Now, for the ones that I said to where they're just hollow in the middle, I took some foam and I cut these down in the shape of, pretty much like the shape of that. Okay, so to help me get the exact size of the circle, sometimes I'll just eyeball it and cut. But what you can do is, if you don't, trust yourself, you can just go ahead and take it on the foam and just like push down on it a little bit. And of course, it gives you the imprint, and then just cut that bad boy on out. Now, once you do that, I didn't even heat up my goddamn glue gun. Heat up your glue gun, but you know what? This video is going and it's on and it's live. So, hot mic, I ain't got time for that. So, I'm just going to use some E6000, but y'all use your glue gun. That way this can go by fast. And just take the foam and push it down and put it down inside of there to where it's now like that. So just, where's the other one? So just do that to both of them. And just, that fly is getting on my goddamn nerves. Okay, so now your, it was hollow, but it's not hollow anymore. They look official. They look all right. You can sell these now. So just go ahead, take your flat back post now and just put it down in there. And if you want, you can put two things of foam in there depending on how flat you want your surface to be. Sometimes I put two, sometimes I put one. And that is pretty much what those look like. Like I said, because it's E6000, let these bad boys dry overnight. But that's pretty much how I do the earrings. You guys, you can sell these. These were very popular on my store. They sold like crazy, especially the ones with the logos and things on it, like Chanel, Gucci, things like that. As well as, you can do hair bows with these. These ones are just Minnie Mouse that I made for my daughters. These also sold like crazy. Especially because I would allow, customers to give me their own images. So, y'all, they would give me their own image and they would buy like a ton of these for their daughters. I had people also doing it for their business, like their logos and things. If you have any questions at all, or like for me to go over anything else in detail, like I said, these can also be used for the shoestrings. You just take that out and just run your shoelace through it, and you also got something for your shoes as well. So yeah, if you got any questions on that, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.